Today, I'll show you how to manage notifications in Xero. If you use Xero regularly, your notifications can quickly pile up and it's easy to miss something important. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your notifications, how to open them, and how to clear them out so your account stays tidy and easy to manage. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. In this example, we're working from the main Xero.com homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual account details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard or whichever area you last visited. The important thing is that you're in your Xero account because that's where the notification controls live. Now, look towards the very top right corner of the screen. This is where Xero keeps a row of small icons, including your profile and help options. Among these, you'll see the notifications icon. It usually looks like a small bell, and if you have new notifications waiting, you may see a number or a dot indicating how many unread items you have. Move your mouse up and click on that notifications icon. When you click the icon, a notification panel will open. This panel slides down from the top and shows a list of recent alerts related to your Xero activity. These might include things like invoices that need attention, bank reconciliation updates, or other important account events. Take a moment to scan through the list so you can see what types of notifications you're receiving. From here, you have a couple of simple options. The first option is to click on a specific notification. Just move your cursor over any notification in the list and click it. When you do this, Xero will take you directly to the relevant page or item. For example, if the notification is about an invoice, you'll be taken straight to that invoice so you can review it, make edits, or take any follow-up actions you need. This is the best approach when you want to actually deal with a notification rather than just clearing it away. If you've already handled the items those notifications refer to, or if you just want to clear the clutter, you can use the second option, marking everything as read. In the notification panel, look for the option that says Mark All as Read. Click this once, and Xero will update all the notifications in that list so they no longer show as new or unread. This is a quick way to reset your notification center, especially if you've been away for a while and have a backlog. A helpful habit is to open your notifications regularly, click into the ones that matter, and then use Mark All as Read to clean up the rest once you're done. That way, any new alert that appears later will stand out clearly, and you'll know it actually needs your attention. And that's all there is to it. In this video, you'll learn how to manage notifications in Xero by opening the notification panel, checking individual alerts, and clearing them out when you're done, so your workspace stays focused and organized.